unpack with delivery and we'll start eating. Yes, yes, yes. So let's start unpacking the order. We have 2 chopsticks and this is sushi and rolls. It is soy sauce. Yes, yes, yes. I have ginger and some different sauces. It is sweet wasabi, spicy sauce, spicy teriyaki, miso sauce, and nut sauce. Yes, yes, it is. And our rolls, this look not good. Yes, I agree with it. It is Canada. This is guncans with shrimps. Oh, now our guncans is turned out upside down. It is not good. It is not good. Rolls with salmon and tuna. Yes, yes, yes. And the last one, it is tempura with tuna. So I have a notebook where I draw a table with different types of sauces and we'll rate our rolls from 1 to 10. Yes, so let's start to draw a table. This is my side and this is your side, okay? So I am feeling so hungry. This is me and this is your side. Rate 1 to 10. 1 to 10. Yes, and first one, it is spicy sauce. Spicy sauce. This way looks so strange. Yes, spicy sauce. Sweet wasabi sauce. Nut sauce. Teriyaki sauce. Miso sauce. And that's it. Yes, the first one, spicy sauce. The second one, it is sweet wasabi sauce, but and next the nut sauce, teriyaki sauce, and the last one, it is miso sauce. So let's start our critical show. Yes, yes, yes. So I want to start with the salmon. Yes, and I need to open it. So this is our rolls. Yes, yes, yes. And let's start. Yes, yes, yes. So I want to start with sweet wasabi because it is looks so fresh and delicious. I think it is delicious. So let's start with sweet wasabi. We will my first or your my thank you. Thank you. So let's try. wasabi sauce, it is 5. Yes, so let's continue. I want to try miso sauce. Miso sauce. Maybe sweet wasabi will better with different kind of roll, maybe with guncans or tuna tempura, but with salmon it is not good. So let's start with miso sauce and miso sauce. Here we are. It is good. It is very, very good. Miso sauce is very, very tasty. I rate this 9 of 10. It is so. I can understand this taste, but this is very, very good. And I rate 9 of 10. 9. Not 10 of 10, but 9 of 10. It is very, very delicious. Now it is my first one, but I don't try different. So let's continue with spicy sauce. I don't like spicy food, but maybe this sauce is good. It will be good. So let's start our critical spicy sauce. And let's try. Fall down, sorry. It is not spicy. But it's good. Not bad like wasabi sauce. But miso sauce is very, very good. It's the best. And I rate this to 7. 7. 7. Yes. So let's try teriyaki. I also don't like teriyaki. I don't understand why, but I don't like this. And nut sauce is don't have any kind of taste like I eat right now, just a tuna roll with anything. It is strange, and I rate this on 2 of 10 because it is like nothing. It is strange. So this is my rate. Our sauce. Now it is your turn to give your grades for our sauce. Here, our notebook to you. Yes, take it, and your pen too. Yes, take it. So while you are evaluating our sauces, I will eat now rolls and listening you. It is okay. Thank you. So I want to eat. We eat these rolls. It is name Canada. Why it is Canada? I don't know. But I try this. Yes, it is. Look like. And I will eat this with miso sauce, my favorite sauce. Miso sauce and this roll. Delicious. Try these rolls first. It is very delicious. Let's try it. Oh yes. It is very delicious. With miso sauce, it is the best combination. Perfect. And I want a tuna roll with miso sauce. Yes, miso sauce. Miso sauce makes better every kind of rolls. Perfect. And rate your rolls too. Try. Perfect. I'm full now. Yes. So, what about your grades? Can I see it? Thank you. So, I see. This is your grades, and I see. Cool. Your opinion is also meaning. Yes.